Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how do you add a link to the YouTube video description. The process is straightforward and effortless. You have to do the same in the YouTube app as I'll do in YT Studio. Open the YouTube app and go to your YouTube channel. Try to upload a video and do the same. But I will do this via Studio because in YouTube Studio this process will be more straightforward. If you don't have the application, go to your Google Play Store or Apple Store and get this application from there. Once you download the application, log in through the email address on which you have your YouTube channel. After that, open the YT Studio and upload the video to the YT Studio. Once that is uploaded, tap on this option, Content. So here is the list of my videos, and I will paste the link in my first video description. How can I do this? Simply by typing on that video. You can see the visibility of this video is unlisted. From here, tap on this pencil icon, and you will see the option, Description. Tap on this one. Here is the description of the video. Write what you want for the link, like I am writing. After writing, paste the link here. Now, the link has been added to my video. Return from here by typing on this arrow icon and tapping the option Save. Now, I will show you what that link looks like by tapping on this play icon at the top right. If I tap on this option more, so you can see the link to my video here. So it was a fundamental way by which you can add links in your YouTube video description. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.